Imagine trying to sell someone a really cool new gadget. There are two ways to make the call: cold call or hot call. So what is a cold call? In a cold call, you don't know the person at all. You call them up completely out of the blue and try to convince them to buy your gadget. It's like knocking on a stranger's door and pitching your product. Cold calls can be challenging because the person on the other end has no prior knowledge or interest in what you're offering. Now, let's talk about hot calls. This is way better. You already know the person is interested in your gadget. Maybe they saw your ad or visited your website. So, you call them up to chat about it. It's like calling someone who's already asked about your gadget and wants to learn more. Hot calls are usually more successful because people are already excited about what you're selling. Both cold calls and hot calls are valuable tools in your sales toolkit. While hot calls are generally easier and more successful, mastering cold calls can open up new opportunities. So, next time you're preparing for a sales call, remember these tips and choose the right approach for your situation. Follow this space for more sales and marketing insights.